Hello lovelies, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I create content for women over 40, whether it is beauty or fashion or beauty related. This is the place to be for that. So today, I don't usually film on a Monday, it's a Monday, but while I was browsing the grocery store yesterday and all of their cosmetics, I was looking at the QUO line. I think that's how you say it, QUO. It's a Canadian brand of cosmetics, and I picked out a few things for us to try. What really caught my eye was some of the products kind of looking similar to more expensive, higher end Sephora products. So this lip contour crown, it's giving the Rhodes vibe totally. So I was like, that's intriguing. And then we have a lip liner stain. Like, stains are all the rage right now. And like for lip liner, that is such a cool thing because we don't want our lip liner smudging off during the day. So if we can get a stain on there that will last, give us a fuller pout, like heck yeah. So the packaging, very sleek, very modern, as well as a super fine brow pen. I wanted to try something else because my Benefit one is already drying out, and that's crazy. Sorry, 40 bucks for a brow pen that's already drying out. Like, no thank you. So this one is in ash brown. We are going to try that out, as well as a lip and cheek multi-stick. So I thought that was pretty. This is in the shade Ballet, and it looks like it's going to be more of like a pinky plummy tone, which is right up my alley. So if you guys would like to see how these products perform, I haven't tried them out yet, so I'm really excited to try them out with you guys. Then just keep watching. It's later in the day, so I want to go in with something just really light on my skin. I'm going to go in with my Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in the shade G8. Just going to give it a little shakeroony and then dot that on the skin. This one's really nice. It's very sheer, very natural looking. And yeah, it's a good one. It's a good one. Just gonna blend this out with my BK Beauty 101 brush. Yeah, like I said, I don't think I've ever tried anything from QUO. Not that I can remember anyways. I don't know why. It just never really enticed me, I guess. But very affordable. So if we could find some almost dupe-like products, that would be cool. It's a lightweight concealer. I'm going to go in with my best skin ever, Sephora Glow in the shade Light Medium. I do have a little bit of concealer on. I just popped on the Maybelline Fit Me for the day and nothing on my face. I had my brows done in mascara, but I wanted to keep it really light because I knew I wanted to film with those products this evening. And I think it's just because I have the Fit Me on, this is kind of building up a little bit more pigmented under the eye. That's okay. Contour, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty wand in the shade Light Medium. I am starting to run low on this guy. Just gonna blend it out with this e.l.f. complexion brush, just a fluffier brush to get more of a diffused contour look, not so harsh. Right, I think that's enough face makeup. Let's get into trying out some of these products. I'm gonna go in first and do my brows. So taking the super fine brow pen, giving it a good shake. I will not lie, I had a little area on my brow that needed a little more filling in, so I did try this one and the pigment looked really good. So I have high hopes, a very, very fine tip. So I'm just gonna brush up the front of my brow where I like to start. And let's just go in, and I'm gonna try to stay in focus. And in, oh yeah. Oh. I don't know if any of you remember when I first tried out the micro brow pen from e.l.f. and what a disaster that was and how it had zero pigment. This is extremely pigmented. Whoa. And even cheaper than the NYX. That is fabulous. It might be a little too dark, but I like that it is ash. It is not pulling any warmth. Sometimes you can get that with brow products. They become a little bit warm. I am being so light-handed with this. I am like not pushing down whatsoever. Wow, really impressed. Really impressed with this. Now, if this in a month dries out, that's like understandable. And more affordable. Holy Hannah, look at that. Pretty good. All right, they're a little dark, but that's okay. This product performed exceptionally well, and yeah, really impressed with how well it worked. All right, let's go in with the Cheap and the Cheap and Lip multi-stick. Just gotta peel her open. Oh my gosh, I just cut my nails. Okay. All right, it's like the same color as the bottle. It's like the same color as my lips. Let's try this. Let's try this out. I'm gonna just go in with my finger. Oh dear. Oh dear, guys. Oh dear. Oh dear. I don't know how much pigment is getting picked up. Oh dear. Okay, let's try to just wipe it on the base. Oh my. So it okay. I thought it didn't have enough pigment, but we got a nice little pinky. It's not the same as, like, it's a little bit more pinky, but that's okay. It feels really creamy. And yeah, this actually might work pretty on the lips, but that just did feel like I rubbed lipstick on my cheeks. And not super pigmented. And it doesn't feel like it builds up, but it's a light, like flush on the cheeks. So that's cute. That's cute. So let's try the lip liner stain. I got this in the shade Warm Nude 25. Okay, let's try it. I like that it is more of a dense foam tip that is going to give you more precision. Like, it's really easy to work with. The shade, I'm not like, oh yeah, that's awesome. Shade is not my favorite. There wasn't a lot to choose from. Cool Nude was gone, but Cool Nude looked more pink. But if we can use it as a base, that might be okay. It's a little orangey. It's a little orangey. It's not as bad in person, and maybe it'll dry down a little bit too. But let's blend it with the lip contour and see what we can get. Someone crushed this. So annoying. And like, they didn't open it because this was sealed pretty good, but like part of the tips in there. Dang it. That's okay. Anyways, so I got this in the shade Light, I believe. There's nothing on here telling you what the shade is. I think there was light, medium, and dark. I think I got light. I can't remember. But it looks really neutral, which is fantabulous. So let's try this out. So annoyed that, oh yeah, this is really neutral. That's good. That is just totally cooling down the warmth of the stain. I really like that shade. And rubbing it, it just kind of softens. It doesn't rub off. Oh, I really like this shade. I just want to kind of compare it to the one from Rhode. Just gonna put a little bit on my lip. Wow. Okay, I can see why I like it. It's almost identical, but a little bit lighter. Okay, I think we found the winner of the bunch. This lip contour. Now I'm gonna go in with the multi-stick and try this out on my lips. Yeah, this feels better on the lips, to be honest. This feels more like a lip balm. And I actually really like it on the lips. I like it a little bit better than I do on the cheeks. I like the coolness, just to match the pink on my lips, and maybe go with something a little bit not so cool on the cheeks. I really enjoy this as a lipstick rather than the cheeks, like I just said, but looking at it off camera, the way it feels, the color, how it mixed in with the lip contour is like such a perfect nude lip look for me, and just, yeah, really like that. I will link these 4 products in the description box below if you guys would like to shop them for yourself. It's gonna go in with my Oma Beauty cream bronzer and just kind of melt that in with the blush. I didn't really put any bronzer on, so I think that's kind of throwing off the look a little bit. I have a nice self-tanner base going on, so I didn't really feel like I needed any more bronze, but I think it just, with that pinky, cool pinky tone, it just needed a little bit more warmth mixed in with it. All right, this is the final look. Thank you guys for hanging out with me and checking out the QUO Beauty products. Like I said, I'll link them in the description box for you guys to shop for yourselves, and I will be definitely checking out more products from them because I really enjoyed some of the products a lot. All right, thank you guys again for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.